Yep. Hit it. Now, hit it. Keep into it. You're good. You just gotta hit it. Yeah, you'll be all right.
You'll find out.
Maybe not.
Link this.
Yeah, link mounts.
I need to hit it a little bit of an angle. I'll pop one up. I'd go past it.
He won't listen to me. You gotta hit it at an angle. It's too short.
You're in a good spot now.
All right. Yeah.
You're in a good spot now.
Yeah. Back up straight. Back up straight. Yeah, you're gonna ramp it. Yeah, you're good.
The one thing that can ruin a fucking trip.
Hop on it, lay her on.
All right, back up driver. Back up. Oh, no, never mind.
Where?
Go back forward and then back up driver a little bit. Go forward. All right, stop there. Back up driver. Driver. The other way. The other driver. And then back up. It's just sliding. It's just slide. All right, just try it again right there. Straight. Straight and passenger, actually.
Passenger?
Yeah, they're right there. I'm trying to get your link mount off.
Man, you're right there. I'll get it.
Just bye, 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 bye.
Hey, hit that rev limit.
Try to stay in it, Andrew. Try to stay in it, buddy.
Even more?
Yeah, stay in it until you get up it. Keep on.
Oh, you're fucking me up.
Mackie, go.